So today we're gonna be solving something interesting today. I got this problem from the AMC 2019 test. This was a competition that was hosted that consisted of, I believe, 25 questions. And here is the 21st question in that test. What is the area of the triangle formed by the lines y equals 5, y equals 1 plus x, and y equals 1 minus x? The first thing we might want to solve is how would this triangle look like? Now y equals 5, we know that it's a straight line, so it's going to be something like this, right? And y equals 1 plus x, x is positive, so it's going to be positive sloping. It's going to look something like that. And 1 minus x looks something like that. You could see that, like, if you could make a triangle with these like more like that, and then these go on to there, and these also go on to there. And this point we also need to figure out what that is in order to figure out the area of this triangle. So the way we would find this point of intersection is we would have to set this equation and this equation equal to each other. So we could have 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus x. You can add x both sides. 1 plus 2x is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. 2x equals 0. X is equal to 0. And when we plug it in, 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0 would equal 1. Also 1 minus 0 will equal 1. So that means x is 0 and y would be 1. So this point here is 0, comma 1. And this would be this line right here. That line, that continuous line, that would be 1 plus x. This line right here would be 1 minus x. And obviously this line would be the y equals 5. Now we have to figure out where each of these lines intersect y equals 5. And we know that there's one intersection for y equals 1 minus x and one intersection for y equals 1 plus x. So we're going to set y equal to 5. We have two equations here. 1 plus x equals 5. 1 minus x equals 5. I could minus 1 here. We get 5 minus 1 is 4. And then we get minus 1 minus 1. Negative x is equal to 4. Divide both sides by negative 1. We have x is equal to 4. Wait, negative 4, negative 4. So x is equal to negative 4, and we have x is equal to 4. So since we know our y, we know our x, we're going to have 4, 5. And we're also going to have negative 4, 5. So this one is basically this one. So this is gonna be the y-axis. This is gonna be the y-axis. Okay, now we got some coordinate. We got a little bit more information. We can go ahead and make a triangle out of these coordinates. So we have 4, 5. As this one, so this is gonna be for negative 4, 4, And distance from here to here is 8. Because 4 minus negative 4 is 4 plus 4 is 8. So this side is going to be our base, and this thing is going to be our height. So we have it at 5. This is our height. And then over here, we have it at 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So now we have our height, which is 4, and we have our base, which is 8. So base times height divided by 2, the area for the triangle. And we have 8 as our base and 4 as our height. Divide by 2. Okay, we end up with 16, which is this guy right here. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn how to solve this type of equations, and thank you.